The two of you were in a relationship. Do you have children together?
Yes, one.
And it was Christmas Day. You spent all year preparing for Christmas. How long does it take you to get the meal ready, madam?
3 or 4 hours.
And it's right to say, well, what happens at breakfast time?
Pain au chocolat and Bucks Fizz.
You only got chocolate croissant and Bucks Fizz on Christmas?
Yes, Judge.
Did you wake up with a special thrill?
If they were well cooked, Judge, yeah.
Now, it got to this Christmas a few years ago. You prepared everything just so. The happy memory of Christmas, madam, what happened?
Adam ruined it all. At Christmas dinner, everything was laid out. I'd planned
Take
it
it
all.
in stages. I'd like you to explain it. We've got all the time in the world.
Yeah. I'd been busy all day cooking Christmas dinner, and as you know, I've been planning it for months and months and months. It's on the table, the kids are all excited, I'm happy, the turkey looks lovely. And Adam sits on the table. It's like a drop leaf table.
Just be clear, what that means is you can pull up the sides.
That's right, yeah.
And it's a bit precarious, but when you pull up the sides, it means the table's bigger for everybody.
That's right, Judge, yes.
Carry on.
And he's put his elbows on it, and it's not gone great from there. It's kind of collapsed a bit, and there's wine in the Christmas dinner, and glasses smashed.
Do you accept that's what happened?
Well, yes.
Now, was that the straw that broke the camel's back? That's not what led to you breaking up.
No, Judge.
And let me ask you, because it's Christmas, and the thing is, madam, I rarely get situations like this where a couple, especially with a child, have broken up and managed to maintain a friendship. Can I ask you, despite breaking up, how you've managed to do that, madam?
Just for my son.
How have you managed to maintain a friendship with a partner who you've broken up with? Why'd you do that? It's a compliment.
For my child.
It's a privilege, sir. So you love your child.
Yes.
And so whatever the two of you had between each other is irrelevant. What matters most to you is your child.
Yes, Judge.
And your son, I presume, is looking forward to Christmas.
As always.
Even now, you're part of family Christmas,
Yes, Judge.
which you share still with each other, to an extent.
Yes, Judge.
I wish other people would do the same. Now, what are you suing Adam for?
The loss of the Christmas dinner, the wine and the table decorations.
How much?
160.
Were you married at the time?
No, Judge.
Emma, Adam. Emma, Adam ruined Christmas. And he did so because he put his elbows on the table, and that, very sadly, destroyed the table. And so, consequently, you couldn't have your meal, and what's more, property was destroyed.
Yeah.
The difficulty is, I'm afraid, that Adam didn't do anything negligent. It was an accident. And because it was an accident, I'm afraid to say you have no legal case against him. If he'd done it deliberately or negligently, you'd be able to recover the money. So sadly, I'm afraid, I have to dismiss your case.
Thank you, Judge.
However, it has been, I want to be clear, a profound privilege to have the two of you in my court. The fact of the matter is, the two of you have put any differences that you've had or even have aside and have decided to build a relationship and a friendship with each other because you've understood jointly that the most important thing is the interests of your son. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue of your own, get in touch with us by clicking over here.